Can I use a partial balance on my DoorDash gift card?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about DoorDash gift cards and specifically, whether you can use a partial balance on these cards. If you've been gifted a DoorDash card, it's important to understand how they work so you can make the most of your meal deliveries.
What is a DoorDash gift card?
Before we dive into the specifics, let's first understand what a DoorDash gift card is. A DoorDash gift card is a prepaid payment card loaded with a specific amount of money. You can use this card to pay for your orders on DoorDash, a popular food delivery platform.
Can I use a partial balance?
Now, to the big question. Can you use a partial balance on your DoorDash gift card? The simple answer is yes, you can. When you apply your gift card to an order, DoorDash will only use the amount needed to cover that particular order. The remaining balance stays on your card for future use. For instance, if your gift card has a balance of $50 and you order food worth $20, the remaining $30 will stay on your card for your next order.
How to check the remaining balance?
It's equally important to know how much balance you have left on your gift card. You can do this by logging into your DoorDash account. Your gift card balance will be displayed in your account settings, making it easy to keep track of your remaining funds. And that wraps it up. The flexibility of DoorDash gift cards allows you to use a partial balance, meaning you can enjoy your favorite meals at your convenience without spending all the funds at once. Remember to always check your remaining balance in your account settings to keep track of your spending. We hope this information was helpful, and enjoy your delicious DoorDash deliveries.